What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I've got a quick unboxing for you guys of the Logitech Z150 speakers. Now, I just wanted better speakers for my TV since I'm still using just the built-in one. So these are 6-watt speakers and you get 2 of them. You have a little dial for your volume. You got a microphone jack for it, and I'm not entirely sure what that one is. I'm pretty sure that's audio input. And here on the back you got some basic specs. So 6 watts clear stereo sound, peaks at 6 watts. Got headphone jack so you can plug in headphones and listen, and easy controls. So these were only 40 New Zealand dollars, and I thought they wouldn't be that bad, considering anything would probably be better than built-in speakers on cheap TV anyways. So let's have a look and see what we got. So we've got some instructions on the top. So got power cord. First step is to plug it in. Second step is plug it into whatever device it is. Plug in your headphones if you want to, and then control volume. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, so I'm assuming this is going to be your power adapter. So, yep, that's the power adapter, right? AC adapter. What else do we have? Oh, these must be the speakers themselves. So, can we pull that out? Yes, we can. And here are the speakers. No, see anything else in there? Get to that second and move that out. Oh, I lost that. Alright. So, if we move these to the back, here you've got a warranty guide. Yeah, we can chuck that over there. Bag, don't need that. So here is our AC adapter. So this one is using the New Zealand Australian adapter, but of course that will be different depending on which country you're in. Now we can take these out of their packaging. And now we've got to figure out how to do that. Okay, that was pretty easy. Alright, so this is the control speaker, so this is the one with the dial, and that's it right there. That looks pretty nice. And we've got another one up here, which we can take out. Okay, so we've still got some plastic that we got to get rid of. So there's one gone. Come on, got this. Come on. Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, and hopefully that's that one gone. Well, that took way more effort than I thought it would. And here they are. So these are going to be your speakers, so a nice dial there, click to show you that it's lowest volume, so that's nice. Audio input, see those 6-watt speakers here, and here's obviously the charger for them, or not the charger, the power adapter. And here is your audio thing, or your 3.5mm headphone jack. So you can plug that straight into a TV or any device that has one or can adapt to one, I guess. And that's pretty much going to be it for this unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy this, remember to hit that thumbs up button or subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Catch you guys later. Peace out.